This is the business end of the 1200 we were just watching. Welcome everybody to the 2023 BuildWitt Roadshow. 34 days, 11,000 miles, 27 US states, and 3 jabronis. Myself, Angel, and Jack. So buckle up, because you're coming with us. Woke up this morning, we left John's house. We had a hipster coffee in Austin, of course, because there's only hipster coffee in Austin. And then we drove about 6 hours through Texas to get to Lamesa, Texas, West Texas, middle of the oil patch. There are oil wells, there's flares, there's trucks, there's all sorts of stuff going on all over this place. We set up the RV. We had a little bit of trouble setting up the RV. We had to try 3 different spots, but we got it situated. And then we got here. We're with Turner Mining Group. The problem is they should be running tonight. They're not, because they produced too much this week. They moved too much material. So night shift is here. They're just here on standby in case the plant needs them. The plant probably won't need them though, but that's good for us. Not good for us because they're not really running, but we have plenty of people here to go out there and to act like they're running. So we're gonna make it look like they're mining, but they're not actually really gonna be mined. This is all just for show, just for you, and really just for me, because I drove 6 hours out to West Texas to see what the heck they're doing. This right here is what we just drove 6 hours for into West Texas. And you're probably thinking, well, that's just sand. You're correct. It is just sand. That's what they're mining here. That's the product, is sand for fracking. As I said, this is the oil patch. Sand is an essential ingredient in the fracking process. You drill your well, your hole in the ground vertically and horizontally. You shoot water into that hole with some lubricant, and within that water goes this sand. This sand creeps into the little fractures in the shale that the water and the pressure creates, and it props the shale open, and that oil and gas can then flow out and be pumped and used for every product really in this world today. This is absolutely essential stuff. To mine the material, we have Turner Mining Group here with 2 1200 Hitachi excavators. They are rocking some amazing buckets from AMI, the XMOR bucket that I'm excited to see, first time seeing it. And they're loading 45-ton trucks and 60-ton trucks. All of this material is being hauled to a plant where it's washed, cleaned, screened, and then loaded into trucks that go over the road to well sites for hundreds and hundreds of miles all over this part of Texas. This is the business end of the 1200 we were just watching. This is an AMI XMOR bucket. The typical bucket that comes on a 1200 is roughly 10 yards, maybe a little less. This is a 12-yard bucket. And the premise behind this bucket is it's super, super high strength steel. It's a very clever design with the back somewhat bowed in. And then they have cutouts on the sides to reduce the weight of the bucket so that you can carry more material within the bucket without overloading the machine. It's expensive, but you're putting more yards per truck, every truck, over months and years. It pays for itself pretty quick. That concludes BuildWitt Roadshow Day 5, West Texas with Turner Mining Group, checking out the frac sand operation. Really, really fun time. I had a blast. We don't get to shoot into the evening all that much, and it's a lot of fun as the sun goes down because you can get some crazy shots as you just saw. We're gonna head the 15 minutes back to town to our RV park for the night, wake up early tomorrow, and head to Denver. So we will see you in Colorado. Stay dirty.